How to cancel TeraBox subscription. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now go ahead and open this option, subscriptions. Now in this page, you will be able to find different sections. Under active subscription, you will be able to find the option of TeraBox. Just open it. Now you will see the option of cancel subscription. Click on that option, you will get the pop-up, confirm cancellation. Click on confirm. With that, you have just cancelled subscription for TeraBox. Now you won't be charged anymore, and the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the TeraBox app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. As of right now, I don't have any ongoing subscription, so it is showing nothing over here. But in the case you do have subscription, it's gonna appear in this page, and by following these steps, you will be able to cancel TeraBox subscription. Well, this is how you can easily cancel TeraBox subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.